Okay guys, it is so crazy. It's like literally raining today. Which is nuts because it has been so warm and today it is cold and raining. Craziness. Alright you guys, I went to the store. I went to Albertsons, or actually Albertsons second. I had to go to the post office, went to Trader Joe's, but then I went to Albertsons and I found this Pelia pepperonia that looks like watermelon. So I had to get it because this plant is really hard to find here and I've never seen one until now. And it's only $12, so actually it wasn't too bad. And it's actually a pretty big plant. And I think it needs to be, actually it's pretty moist. It doesn't need to be watered. I also bought a ton of this garlic spread because it's delicious from Trader Joe's. It tastes just like the one that they have at Zenko Chicken. And it's only $2.99. So that's gonna go for dinner tonight along with this Mediterranean style hummus. And then I bought tons of peanuts for mom and dad because I didn't know what they wanted. So I got those. Got jalapenos, lime, red onion, cereal, cilantro, parsley, and I wanted to try the hand cream from Trader Joe's. I just got mom the rose one, but this is the one they've had there for a while. I've never tried it, so got this to try. It's good. It's probably, the rose one is really nice, but we'll see how this one is. Alright, quick update on the hand cream. It's really nice and it like gets into your skin beautifully and doesn't leave like a weird residue or anything, and I really like it. Secondly, I was getting sodas from the garage and one of these sodas is empty. So I'm gonna use it to play a trick on John later. I think there's like, it like came out the bottom or something. There's like a tiny little hole, I think. But we're gonna play a little trick on John later with this. Should be fun. But, ooh, for dinner, mom made some delicious chicken soup because it's cold and rainy outside. And, ooh, a roasted chicken with all sorts of carrots and onions. That looks so delicious. It smells so good. Ooh, your timer's over. Oh, also, I got orange chicken from Trader Joe's. Mom's gonna make that tonight for the kids because that's their fave. Ooh, the chicken looks so good. So excited. We're gonna get ready to eat right now. Everything looks so delicious. My chicken, my veggies, my garlic sauce, which is very important. Have some soup. Oh, and then we have some orange chicken right over there too. Yummy. Okay, so I'm so excited for my plants. And I checked the soil. It looks like it's pretty good. I don't know. I want to like deal with it tomorrow. This leaf definitely is no bueno. It's like torn up. And we're going to try and like spruce it up in the morning time. But yeah, love my new little plant. The leaves are a little like curled up, but yeah. Alright you guys, we are carrying over onto the next day. So it's the next day now. I didn't film that much yesterday because I was just like super busy. But I just put this guy inside this plant. This is that one that I got the other day. I put it inside this other planter that I was painting. Remember I left it outside to dry. I forgot to do a second coat of paint, but I wanted to see how it looks in there. So it looks really good. I just stuck it in there with a pot still. So I'll probably be painting it, I don't think today, but maybe tomorrow. That'll get like another coat of paint and then it'll look pretty good. I'm really happy with how it looks so far. It just has like some stuff right there. And then I think once I paint it, I'm going to get some, if I can find any sandpaper, and kind of make it look a little bit more aged. Oh, the sun just like got covered by clouds. Then my peonies, very excited that they're opening up a little bit and that they're like a beautiful blush pink. But look how tiny they are. I feel like they usually look a lot larger. Then a quick update, because a couple of you guys have messaged me about these guys asking how they're doing, and they are doing really well. This one is doing fantastic. So many roots coming out. This one as well. I'm very, very happy about it. So lots right there, lots on the other root. So very excited. I'm actually contemplating cutting this one now, because I feel like this might be really good to cut, and I'm gonna cut it like right there, and then I'll have 2 roots. I don't know, let me know what you guys think. And then after I cut that, if I do cut this one, I don't think I'm gonna cut it for a while, because I just want this plant to grow and do really well. So it's just so pretty, right? Like, look at these leaves. They are so gorgeous. Look at that. Beautiful. My baby. This plant is doing really well too. I think it really likes it right here in this spot because it's really sunny. So I need to clean up this buffet because I have a bunch of random stuff on it. But this plant is so pretty. I just love the leaves. They're like so velvety and gorgeous. Then my lipstick plant over here is doing really well also. These flowers are popping up all over the place. Oh, another one just fell. Look at that. It's like a dark purple, almost black. Love that guy. This is doing really well too, but I think it's getting a little like, it's getting those little bugs around it. So I think I need to control that somehow. I have to show you guys Mom and Eliza. They're watering the plants. Eliza, are you watering too, baby?
Yeah.
Is it working?
Yes, it is. Buffett wanted me to help you.
Oh, wow. Look at you.
The spider webs on this?
The spider webs?
Yeah, on this.
Uh-oh. Are you look? Is there a spider?
No.
Oh.
I don't see anything.
Okay. Oh, we're safe. I actually think I'm going to take this guy back out. We just cut off the flowers that were on them, and now I can go back to its old spot outside and I can put something else right here. Hey guys, okay, so we are actually in my room now, and I was actually packaging something, and I totally forgot, like I don't think I ever showed you guys these items that I'm mailing off, so I thought I'd do like a little like haul, because I remember like I just unboxed it really quick because it came, like the box that it came in was super dilapidated. It was so squished. The side of it was like kind of like open, so I literally thought that the items inside might have fallen out or something awful like that. But luckily they did not, and they still looked perfect. But man, that box had seen better days for sure. But here is one item right here, and this is a Chanel belt. It's so gorgeous. It kind of has like a quilted enamel interior like inside the CCs. I can't believe this brand new belt retailed for $725. So gorgeous. Then the next thing I have is right here. And this one is a beautiful Chanel brooch. So cute. This one is also brand new. It still has the tag on it from Neiman Marcus. This one retailed for $550, but super gorgeous. This is even more beautiful in person than it was in the photos online. But this one, it had like a little manufacturer defect, and it's missing the little pearl right there, but you honestly can't really tell. And I think it'd be pretty easy to just replace it and just like glue another one in there. But such a beautiful little guy. And then these babies are going off to their new home with this belt right here as well. Another gorgeous Chanel belt. Also brand new. This one doesn't have any tags though, but it is stunning. So that's what I'm mailing off right now. Ever since I got the box with these other things in it, I have just been like taping up my boxes so intensely, and I feel like, I don't know, like I don't feel wasteful because I'm doing it with a purpose, because I don't want anything to break and fall out. Because recently the packages I've been receiving have kind of been really, did I already say dilapidated before? I'm gonna say it again. Dilapidated, squished. I don't know what's happening to them in transit, but Yeah, and this one was crazy because when I got this, it was only shipping from like really close by, like 2 or 3 towns over, and it literally went all the way to Alabama first and then came back to California, and it was just a very hot mess. But luckily everything was fine and it's all a-okay, so I'm happy about that. But right now I'm gonna get packaging. I'm gonna drop this one off to the post office myself, and then, okay, Stephanie, Steph a bunch, if you're watching this, I'm so jelly. Okay, because she, like last week, she sent me something from Trader Joe's. Like, it was like one of those fan sites for Trader Joe's, and they always show like the cool stuff that they have. And they had like fig trees and the new watermelon skincare stuff. Well, I have been going to the Trader Joe's. I've been there twice already. Three times? Twice. No, twice. I've been there twice so far. Haven't seen any of that stuff. And then today, she actually finally went to her Trader Joe's where she found all that stuff. But they had like these beautiful monsteras, and there's this one type of monstera that they actually have there, which I have been wanting to get, and I've been toying with ordering it online for like the past few weeks, and knowing that it's so close yet so far away, like I almost want to drive over there, but I don't want to. So I'm gonna go back to my store one more time because I have to drop these off at the post office, and the post office is literally in the same area, like the same shopping center as my Trader Joe's. So I'm gonna go hop over there really quick and pick that up if they have any, that is. So and yeah, so I'm gonna get packaging and get going. Ooh, I also want to go to Target. Man. Okay, I'll see you guys in a second. Hey guys, I just came out of the decontamination chamber because I had to take a bath, so I just got home. And look what Mom made in that short amount of time that I was gone. She made, what is this? Beef with bell peppers and onions? Yeah. And then 4 cheeses and a margarita pizza? Ay caramba.
Yes.
What's inside now?
Another pizza.
Woo! Hot dog, that's a big one. Wow. So if you guys want the recipe for this, I'll have it linked because we did a video for this for when we made pizzas with the kids and when we made focaccia bread. And Mom's making a lot of pizza. She has lots of dough.
This is a pizza.
Oh, what is this?
This is the cinnamon.
Oh, this is you guys, she's making cinnabuns.
Yeah, cinnamon.
If you guys want a tutorial for this, go ask her. Message her on itsHadrian's mom.
This is Pioneer.
It's the Pioneer Woman recipe, so you guys can just Google it actually. So type in Pioneer Woman cinnamon recipe. But I want to show you guys what I got today. Check out this beautiful baby monstera. Just a regular one, and then this one is so cute. I can't believe they had these at Trader Joe's because I was almost gonna order these online. And these are so. This is another form of monster. I forgot the name. I know it's not Adonantii because I already have those. Those are the ones that I have a million of propagating. But these are so cute. Their leaves look like this. They're really nice. Then I got Mom an orchid right here. Look at that beautiful white orchid. And then some white roses, which she already placed inside this vase. Oh, Mom, you took out the other roses?
Huh?
Did you decide the other roses were? Oh, the other roses were kind of dying, and Mom put them in this little cup right here. How cute, Mom! It looks really nice.
Oh,
looks like a million buckaroos. So yeah, we're going a little plant crazy. But I've been missing my. Look at that, so cute.
And baking all day.
And Mom's baking all day, living the life. I need to take this stuff off of here. You know, Mom, this is like stuck onto here. Like I can't take off like this actual thing. I can't like lift it out. I have to like ask John to like help me do it. I have to like have him hold it while I pull it out. Cause it's like so hard. Oh, I should probably just do it upside down, huh? But we're gonna take care of this boy tomorrow. Probably like replant it. So cute. I love this little corner. I'll leave you guys over here with mom while she does this. We're just gonna do a time lapse of her making this. It looks so exciting. Oh my gosh, you guys, fresh from the oven, some delicious Cinnabons. Oh, my camera's gonna die. Alright, I got a new battery and we are ready to add the glaze. Ooh. Oh man, that looks so good. Ooh, it looks so delicious. We're also talking to my auntie in Japan. Hi, auntie. Say hi to YouTube.
Hi. Hi there. Hi everyone.
Hey guys, we are in my room and I just wanted to end the video here. Thank you guys again so much for hanging out today and yesterday. Today was a 2-part vlog. It was super fun. A lot of stuff went down today. I can't believe that I found my 2 plants. I'm so excited. And then of course I bought even more plants. So, geez Louise. But it's been so nice because I have missed like getting new plants and just like bringing some new plants into the house. Feels like I'm bringing new life into the house. Well, it technically is bringing new life into the house. And it just makes the house feel more alive and more exciting. And I can't wait to figure out what I'm going to do with those babies officially. I think I have one pot that I definitely want to use for the Monstera. And then for the smaller Monstera, I think I'm actually going to leave it in that white pot because it's pretty cute. And that Monstera, it's like a vine-ish. And then so like the little things will like fall down in cascades. I think it'll be really, really pretty. And I cannot wait. So go check out your local Trader Joe's if you're interested in those plants. See what you can find. I know some Trader Joe's have also been getting some small... what are they called again? Fiddly figs. So those are really cool too. But yeah, oh my gosh, I'm so full. The Cinnabons were so delicious that mom made. Oh my gosh, it was so good. It totally hit the spot because we've all been kind of craving Cinnabon for some odd reason. And I don't really like sweet food as much as I like savory food. And like a little Cinnabon was like perfect for me. Whereas like my sister, she has a sweet tooth. She had 2. She's probably gonna have 2 more later. But yeah, anyway, that's the end of the vlog. I love you guys so much. See you guys tomorrow bright and early.